All right, all right, all right. Good morning. I want to jump on here today and just share with you guys. I've had two exciting coaching calls this morning. One is a group call, one was a one-on-one. We covered social media. We covered social media to the point that we have a strategic plan for our social media sites for 2021 already thought of, planned out, and ready to go. All we need to do is make a plan, write the plan. Okay. I just want to share three quick statements, just real quick with y'all. Capture, connect, and convert. That's the game plan with social media. If you're not using social media to capture, connect, and convert, there's a problem. So you need to rethink it. You need to know the who, what, when, where, why, and how of social media in order to make social media work for you. Okay. Who, what, when, why, and how. You are going to use social media to educate, empower, inform, and inspire. It's really that simple, guys. Stop overthinking it. Stop being scared. Stop, and start. Start going forward. Start being you. Start showing who you are on social media, and let's get moving. It's simple. Capture, connect, convert. Educate, empower, inform, and inspire. We can do this. If you can do this in 2021, starting now, because it's 2021, y'all. If you can do this now, imagine where you're going to be this time next year. Educate, empower, inform, inspire, capture, connect, convert. Let's create magic with social media. I'm here for it. If you need a one-on-one, give me a text, a DM, a call. Let's get you scheduled and let's get moving. See you guys soon.